An appeal this evening from the Independent Commission of Investigations Indicom for witnesses in two controversial shootings allegedly by the police. They include the shooting injury of a man yesterday near Mandela Park in Halfway Tree and a fatal shooting of a resident in Montpellier, Hanover on Saturday. Residents of that community took to the streets today in protest. Shamela Pullen reports.
Minutes after 7 Wednesday morning, residents of Montpellier, Hanover took to the streets to protest the fatal shooting of 20-year-old Adijra Kiran Chalibi Vidal, allegedly by police officers. The community blocked the main road with lumber and stones, burning old tires to express their outrage. According to a relative, Vidal was at home when he was allegedly attacked and killed by the lawmen.
The fact that he draw a gun, but are you going to draw a gun and are you open the grill letting the police? If you didn't have a gun, you're going to open the grill and let them pop up the grill to come in. You open the grill, you get up, go downstairs, open the grill, letting in them, tell mom if you sit on the couch, and then they push him in her room and all she hear is a shot. One shot fire in her head. They drag him, put him in a jeep. Two of them gone with him, and from them gone with him, we don't hear nobody come to talk to us.
The incident has sparked widespread anger and calls for justice.
We cut up, we devastated because some mama in our house, come on, oh, a police gonna come if ain't gunman that bad. But police was supposed to respect you. Gonna come in your house, come kill you. All of them come in and they find something. Why they never take him? 4 of them. Look how small he is.
And I like them shooting on the veranda.
They come straight in our room.
Open the grill within 2 hands. Why in the hell you push him in the room and go shooting? Not even at the living hall.
When asked, police personnel who were at the scene of the protest would only say that the matter is being investigated and that their presence was slowly to ensure calm.
Citizens are protesting this morning that they need justice, whatever they deem justice to be. Nevertheless, we address the crowd. We have our Superintendent Nish, who is also here addressing them. We spoke with them, we informed them that Indicom is investigating. So a loss of life is really, it's not something that we glorify. But when it do happen, we take the necessary steps to ensure that justice is served.
The residents were also cautioned about their approach to seeking justice.
We ask the community to desist from what they are doing because it is also a breach of the National Solid Waste Act. And so persons can be charged. But as not to stir up any problem now, we are aware of who are involved. But we are dealing with it at a different way.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.